Picture this. You wake up, stretch, and shuffle to the kitchen for your morning coffee, unaware that the next 30 minutes could be the most dangerous time of day for your brain. Shocking, right? That quiet half hour when you're still shaking off sleep can silently lay the groundwork for a life-altering stroke, especially if you're over 60. Most seniors have no clue they're rolling the dice with their health simply because of what they do or don't do first thing in the morning. You might be eating well, staying active, and taking your meds, yet still walking into danger without realizing it. But here's the hope. Science says you can, because of what they do or don't do first thing in the morning, slash your stroke risk by up to 50% with a few small tweaks to your morning routine. Ever feel dizzy when you get out of bed? Skip water and go straight for coffee. Forget your blood pressure pills until midday. If that sounds familiar, this is for you. If you want to stay sharp, independent, and vibrant into your 70s, 80s, and beyond, keep reading. We're diving into 8 simple, science-backed morning habits every senior needs to know. As we go, drop a comment. Which of these are already part of your routine, and which could you improve? Hit that subscribe button for more life-saving tips every week on Health After 60 channel. Let's jump in with habit 1, a 30-second step most seniors skip, but it could be your brain's best defense. First up, do you drink a glass of water right after waking? Not coffee, not tea, just plain room temperature water. If not, you're in good company, but this tiny habit could be the easiest way to protect your brain during those risky morning hours. While you sleep, your body loses water through breathing and sweating, leaving you mildly dehydrated by morning. Again, you're mildly dehydrated by morning. This makes your blood thicker, slowing circulation and raising the risk of clots, the leading cause of strokes. But 8 to 12 ounces of water first thing rehydrates you, thins your blood, and boosts blood flow. It's a side effect-free way to support your kidneys, clear morning fog, and ensure your medications absorb properly. Pro tip, add a squeeze of lemon for a circulation boost, but plain water works wonders. Keep a glass on your nightstand so it's ready before you even stand up. Do you already do this? Share in the comments or commit to trying it tomorrow. Your brain will thank you. Next, let's talk about calming your mind before the day begins. Do you wake up with your brain already racing? Errands, appointments, to-do lists? That mental rush spikes cortisol, your stress hormone, which can raise blood pressure and inflame arteries, especially in the morning when your body's most vulnerable. For seniors, this silent strain can chip away at brain health. The fix? 5 minutes of deep breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Repeat. No apps or gear needed. You can do it in bed. This simple practice relaxes your nervous system, widens blood vessels, and lowers heart rate, cutting stroke risk while sharpening focus and mood. Many seniors report better sleep and memory too. Try it tomorrow and share your experience in the comments. What's your go-to way to start the day calmly? Now, let's tackle a sneaky breakfast mistake. You'd never eat chips for breakfast, but many senior staples like toast with cheese, cereal, or canned soup are sodium bombs. After a night of sleep, your blood vessels are tighter and low hydration makes them extra sensitive to salt. A high sodium breakfast can spike blood pressure to dangerous levels before you leave the kitchen. If you have hypertension, this is like pouring gas on a fire. Instead, choose low-sodium, nutrient-rich options, oatmeal with berries, a boiled egg with veggies, or a banana spinach smoothie. Season with cinnamon or turmeric, not salt, and skip bacon or sausage. They're packed with sodium and preservatives. The American Heart Association caps sodium at 1,500 milligrams daily for seniors, and one salty meal can blow past that. What's your breakfast go-to? Tried cutting salt? Share your tips in the comments. Let's keep it moving with a habit that's simple but powerful, a 10-minute morning walk. After hours of sleep, sitting for another hour keeps circulation sodium at 1,500 milligrams daily for seniors, and one salty meal can blow past that. What's your breakfast go-to? Sluggish, raising stroke risk. But a short walk around your house, on the porch, or even in place wakes up your blood flow, oxygenates your brain, and keeps arteries flexible. It also lowers cholesterol, balances blood sugar, and fights inflammation, all stroke busters. No need to speed walk, a gentle pace works. Outside, bonus points for sunlight, which regulates sleep. Studies show daily walkers cut their risk of ischemic and hemorrhagic strokes while boosting balance and memory. No need to speed walk, a gentle pace. Do you walk in the morning? Want to start? Drop a comment with your routine or goals. Here's a surprising one. Stretching your neck and shoulders. As we age, morning stiffness in these areas is common, but tight muscles can compress arteries supplying blood to your brain, raising the risk of vertebrobasilar insufficiency, a lesser-known stroke trigger. A quick 3-minute stretch can change that. Gently roll your neck clockwise, then counterclockwise, and shrug your shoulders up, down, backward, and forward. Smooth, slow movements, no jerking. This opens tight muscles, boosts circulation, and reduces dizziness or lightheadedness. Pair it with your deep breathing for a calming start. Do you stretch in the morning? Feel stiff when you wake? Share in the comments and inspire others. Ow, a habit that takes 1 minute but could save your life. Checking your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer with no symptoms until it's too late. And morning is when it naturally peaks. A daily check within an hour of waking, before coffee or food, catches risky spikes early. Use an upper arm cuff monitor for accuracy and track readings in a notebook or app. Consistent monitoring helps you spot trends and act before trouble hits. Seniors who check daily are more likely to manage hypertension and avoid strokes. Do you monitor your BP? Thinking of starting? Comment below and share your setup. Let's talk food again, but this time, what to add. New minerals, potassium and magnesium relax arteries, lower blood pressure, and protect against morning strokes. Potassium counters sodium, while magnesium widens blood vessels. Get them from bananas, spinach, avocado, plain yogurt, pumpkin seeds, or walnuts. A smoothie with banana and spinach or oatmeal with almonds is perfect. Skip processed foods like frozen waffles or breakfast bars. They lack these minerals and add salt. What's your favorite potassium or magnesium-rich breakfast? Share your recipe in the comments. Finally, the non-negotiable. Taking your blood pressure medication on time. Missing or delaying it, even by a few hours, can cause dangerous morning spikes when most strokes strike. If prescribed for morning, take it before breakfast or coffee for proper absorption. Use a pill organizer, phone alarm, or app to stay consistent. Never skip or adjust doses because you feel fine. That's the meds working. Talk to your doctor before any changes. Seniors who stick to this cut stroke risk by up to 50%. How do you remember your meds? Share your trick in the comments. You've got 8 habits to shield your brain and cut stroke risk. Don't overhaul your routine. Just pick 1 or 2 to start tomorrow. Make them yours, like brushing your teeth. If you only do one, let it be your medication. Which habit resonates most? Already doing some? Comment below. Your story could spark someone else. Like this post and subscribe to Health After 60 for more senior finkdished health tips. You deserve to stay sharp and independent. And it starts with your morning. One step at a time, you've got this.